Now, where do I keep my notes? I simply can't remember. Let me recall what I was doing before I got here. That's strange. I just can't recollect where I left them. Let me check. Mm, ah, there they are. Can you remind me to take them before I leave? Good. I will keep them. Okay. So, this was a small episode of forgetfulness. Happens to us all the time, doesn't it? These four words, remember, recall, recollect, and remind, are about memory. Hi, I'm Archana Kayale, your English language communication IELTS PT and TOEFL trainer. Learn with me different words in a series of vocabulary magic. And today our words are remember, recall, recollect, and remind. And we should talk about their similarities, differences, and their noun forms. So, first, the word remember. The meaning of remember is to be able to bring back a piece of information into your mind or to keep a piece of information in your memory. For example, please remember to buy some milk on your way home. That means don't forget. Remind, to make someone think of something they have forgotten or might have forgotten. Example, please remind me to pay the newspaper bill. Recall, call back to memory from the past. With recall, we are frequently describing the memory to someone. I still recall our vacation in Paris. Happened in the past and I have brought the memory back to mind. Recollect, to remember something from the past with a little effort, usually an incident or incidents. Example, can you recollect what happened at the party last Thursday? Now, to make it clearer, here is a passage to illustrate how the different words are used. This is a conversation between a student and a teacher. Good morning, madam. I am Rohan. Do you remember me? Good morning, Rohan. If I'm not wrong, you are from 2010 batch, right? I cannot forget your batch. You have reminded me of those wonderful days. I recollect how vibrant your batch was. Thank you, madam. Do you recall the incident when our entire class was punished? Yes, of course. It was because of a new boy. He did some funny things in front of principal's office as a part of ragging. The principal was upset and punished all of you. Remember, recall, and recollect are frequently used interchangeably. Let's look at a sentence we just saw. I recollect how vibrant your batch was. We can use the other two words in this sentence as well. I remember how vibrant your batch was, or I recall how vibrant your batch was. Here we are talking about bringing to mind a certain memory. So any of these words may be used. Let's look at a few differences. Recall and recollect are used exclusively for past occurrences. Recall and recollect equals to past. Remember may be used to refer to the past, present, or future. Let's check it in example. Do you remember me? Of course I remember you. Present. I remember a time when a loaf of bread was 2 rupees only. Past. I must remember to pick up the dry cleaning tomorrow. Future. Also, we remember people, but we don't recall or recollect them. For example, I remember Lucy. I don't recall or recollect her. She was with me at school till the 5th grade. However, we do remind people to remember something, and that may be about something in the present, past, or future. Now, let's check the noun forms of these words. Remember, noun form is remembrance. Example, they erected a statue of remembrance in his services to the nation. Recall, the noun form is also recall. He has total recall. He can narrate incidents in complete detail. Remind, noun form, reminder. I will put a reminder on my phone about tomorrow's meeting. Recollect, noun form, recollection. He has no recollection of what happened before the accident. All this seems to be a lot to remember, doesn't it? But it's quite easy. And the way to learn is to keep using these words. So let's just do that. It's a quiz time. Pause your video and take this quiz. Now check the answers. I'm sure you got them all right. Now before I leave, a small tip. The meaning of these words lying in the word itself. Let's check it. Remember, memory. Remind, bring to mind by someone else. Recall, call back to my mind from the past. Recollect, collect facts from the past and remember. Hope that helps. So before you leave, remember to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to get notification. Also, like and share my video with your friends and acquaintances. And yes, don't forget to leave your comment. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.